Hello guys! Gusto nyo bang sumahod ng 250,000 pesos per month or 3 million sa isang taon? Ayan, pwede po kayo mag-aral as an international student sa Canada at ito ang mga benepisyo nyo. Number 1, pag-usapan muna natin ang inyong possible salary. Number 1 po, kapag master's degree graduate kayo, ang salary nyo dito as per sa research nasa 70,000 Canadian dollar. Actually, may ilan pa dyan na umabot ng 80 to 90,000 Canadian dollar per year. Pero kapag diploma kasi, nasa 53,000. So, more or less, nasa 20,000 Canadian dollar ang difference. Another one po is pwede kayong ma-qualify for management or leadership position. So, ibig sabihin, the higher the position na meron kayo, syempre, the better salary, benefits, and many more. And tandaan natin, as an international student, of course, you get job offer ng mas marami compare sa mga nakadiploma lang or bachelor. Siyempre, iba pa rin na masteral ka na eh. Nagma-masters ka na sa field of expertise na meron ka. And siyempre, ayan, para sa inyong personal profile, or you are now preparing for PhD degree. Another one, guys, is personal development, kasi sabi nga dito, in addition to knowledge and skill set mo. And another one is ability to change careers. Ayan, since masters ka na kasi, pwede ka mag-shift into another field ng industry na kung nasaan ka. So, yun yung isang advantage mo. So, at least, you have the skill set na, then you have another one pa na specialty. Sobrang bankable ka na for any job opportunities. And salary, syempre. Okay, another one, ito yung gusto ko. Sabi, enhance credibility in a field, help you an industry expert, and increase credibility and respect. So, if you love the career na meron ka ngayon and you have that master's degree, iba pa rin yun eh. Diba? Matangin mo, madadagdagan ka na ng mga letra sa dulo ng pangalan mo. Plus, nagtapos ka pa sa Canada. And another thing, guys, ito ay importante itong dalawang to. Number 1 po, kapag nag-aral ka doon ng masters sa Canada, you are eligible up to 2 to 3 years na PGWP. Ito yung kapag nakagraduate ka na, nakapagtapos ka ng masters, pwede ka magstay doon ng 2 years more or 3 years more in Canada. So that means this will give you more time to get a job, better salary, plus syempre, yung qualification mo for permanent residency, sobrang ganda na. Kasi guys, if we are going to compare, kapag bachelor's degree lang, you get 15 points sa yung PR qualification. But kapag master's degree ka, doble yun. That's 30% point. So, ang laki na talaga ng chance na makakwalify ka for permanent residency. Kaya to know more about your eligibility, ayan, sa mga viewers po natin, make sure po to message the Visa Center because we are offering free eligibility assessment and consultation. Message us now!